Good morning, children. How are you? See, children, day before yesterday we have discussed about a story that is about annual haircut day, and we have discussed the poem Boo also. And there, whenever one girl was facing any problem, she used to make a sound of boo to make herself brave to face the situation. Now, children, today we are going to learn about an interesting story. The story name was Little Mouse Bakes a Cake. Now, see, children, it is a very interesting story. Before going into the textbook, I will explain in brief with the characters. See, children, a little mouse, crane, and raven, crow, and raven. Three members are living together in a small house. Okay, they used to live together. One day, little mouse want to eat a cake. So she decided to prepare a cake. And when she discussed that issue with these two members, they said they also will help. Let us make the cake. What happened when the little mouse told that we want flour to make a cake, flour, butter, and all ingredients for the cake, they both refused to go to the shop and to buy. This little mouse went to the shop and she bought. Again, we have to whenever we are preparing a cake, we have to mix the flour and the butter, all the ingredients. Then these members said, we are very busy, we can't mix it. So the little mouse said, I will do the work. Next, third step, we have to keep the ingredient mixture in the oven to bake, for baking. They refused again to keep the oven, to keep the cake for baking in the oven. The little mouse did the work. And finally, when the cake was ready, now little mouse kept the cake on the table. Now we will eat, we will eat. These two members are telling, we will eat, we will eat. That time, little mouse said, you have no time to bring flour, you have no time to mix the ingredients, you have no time to bake the cake, then how you are getting the time to eat it? So there is no chance to give you members to eat the cake. You sit and watch me. I will eat the cake. Now what the little mouse is telling? I will eat the cake. Now going into the textbook, children, I will explain each and every sentence of the textbook. Then I will give you words related to the lesson. Okay. See, children. Little mouse, raven, and crane lived together in their cozy little home. In their little home. They worked together very well most of time. The three members used to work together. Any work means they used to do together. Most works. One morning, little mouse woke up thinking about cakes. One day when little mouse was waking up, he thought of a cake. Let us make a cake today. I love cakes, said Raven. When Mouse said that, let us prepare a cake today, this Raven means a crow. You can see the picture. Raven said, I will love to make a cake today. I love cakes, said Raven. Me too, said Crane. These two members also like very much. Who will go to the town to buy the flour? Not me, said Raven. I am busy. Not me, said Crane. I am busy too. Now, for preparing the cake, Little Mouse said we need a flour. Flour means ante pindamma. Okay, flour. Now, who will go to the market to buy the flour? She asked two members. Both said, I am busy, I am busy, I can't go, I can't go. So they both refused to go to the market to buy the flour. Now who went to the market to buy the flours? Let us see. Then I will go myself, said Little Mouse. Now Little Mouse decided himself to go to the market to buy the flour. Little Mouse went to the store. She bought the flour. She came home again. Now Little Mouse went to the market. There she bought the flour and returned the home. Here is the flour. Now she kept the flour on the table and said, here is the flour. Now who will make the cake mixture? Now after keeping the flour on the table, Little Mouse is asking the remaining members and to herself, who will bake this cake? Now who are going to make the mixture? Not me, said Raven. I am still busy. Not me, said Crane. I am still busy too. Then I will make it myself, said Little Mouse. Now when she asked who will make the mixture for the cake, both the crane, both the raven, both said that we are busy, we are busy. We can't. So what happened? Mouse decided to make the mixture also. Now who make the mixture, cake mixture, Nana? Mouse itself. Even cake mixture, flour she bought. Cake mixture also she did. Now see children what happens next. And she did. Little Mouse put in some flour. She put in some egg. She put in some butter. She stirred the mixture. Stirred ante kalapadam nana. Stirred means all the ingredients, all the items which are needed to prepare a cake. What are they? Eggs, butter and flour. Three things she kept in a bowl. She stirred it and she mixed it very well. The mixture is ready. Now who will put it in the oven? Now after making the mixture, Little Mouse again asking, who will keep this mixture in the oven for baking? The mixture is ready. Now who will put it in the oven? Not me, said Raven. I am still busy. Not me, said Crane. I told you I am busy. Now both are again busy. Mouse brought the flour. She prepared the cake mixture. Now for keeping the mixture in the oven also these two members are very busy. Then I will bake it myself, said Little Mouse. So she did. Little Mouse made her oven very hot. She poured the mixture and cake into a cake tin. She put it in the oven. Now she poured in the bowl. She kept the mixture and she kept the bowl in the oven. Soon the cake was ready to eat. The cake is ready. Now who will eat it? Now when the cake was ready, the mouse kept the cake on the table and asked, who will eat it? I will, said Raven. I will, said Crane. Now both are ready to eat. Oh no, you will not, said the Little Mouse. Now Little Mouse this time said no. Why? She brought flour, she made cake mixture, she baked the cake. She baked the cake. All the three things she herself did. These two members are pretended to be busy. They are telling that they have no time to keep it in the oven itself. So this time Little Mouse said no to them. No, you can't. You will not, said Little Mouse. You watched while I went in for the flour. You watched while I made the cake mixture. You watched while I baked the cake. నేను ఫ్లోర్ తెచ్చినప్పుడు మీరు బిజీయే, నేను మిక్స్చర్ చేసినప్పుడు బిజీయే, నేను కేక్ బేకింగ్ చేసినప్పుడు కూడా మీరు బిజీయే. ఇప్పుడు తినడానికి మీకు టైం ఎక్కడిది? సో యూ వాచ్డ్ వైల్ ఐ బేక్డ్ ద కేక్. నౌ యూ వాచ్ వైల్ ఐ ఈట్ ఇట్. నేను చేసేదంతా మీరు కూర్చొని చూశారు కాబట్టి నేను తినేది కూడా మీరు కూర్చొని చూడండి అంటారు. ఓకే, ద మౌస్ సెడ్ ద బోత్ మెంబర్స్ while I am bringing flour, while I am making mixture, while I am baking the cake, you are sitting and watching. Now you sit and watch how I am eating it. She sat down and ate the cake right up, all of it. Now the mouse sat and ate all the cake in front of it. Okay, now in this way we have completed the little mouse bakes a cake. How the little mouse asked help. When they refused to do, how the little mouse taught a lesson to them. Okay, now we will see few of the words related to the lesson. Then I will teach you children how to write the notebooks neatly. Now words related to the lesson. If you see the lesson, very easy lesson, Nana. First, mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Raven, R-A-V-E-N, raven. Next, crane, C-R-A-N-E, crane. Next, children, work, W-O-R-K, work. Okay, next, children, together, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together. Next, children, F-L-O-U-R, floor. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Mixture, M-I-X-T-U-R-E, mixture. Next children, cake, C-A-K-E, cake. Next children, bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. Store, S-T-O-R-E, store. Next, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. Next children, bake, B-A-K-E, bake. Now this is how, these are the few words related to the lesson children. Mouse, raven, crane, work, together, floor, morning, mixture, cake, bought, store, butter, bake. If you read more and more times, you will get it easily. These words are very easy. If you read more times, easily you can read the textual lesson. See children, make it a habit of reading the textbook. ఓకే మీరు చిన్న పిల్లలే కాదంటే కానీ మీరు ఇప్పటి నుంచే నేర్చుకున్నారనుకో నవ్ ఆన్వర్డ్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ రీడ్ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ it is easy for you, and make it a habit to talk in English at least 4 or 5 times at home. ఎప్పుడు మాట్లాడితే మంచిదే కానీ మీరు మాట్లాడరు, you won't, anybody won't. But if we make it a habit of speaking, at least make it a habit of greeting our elders when we woke up in the morning. పొద్దున్నే నిద్ర లేచిన తర్వాత, when we woke up early in the morning, if we wish our parents, because now we are staying at home, so you can wish your parents, okay, and after that one, whatever you want, please give me. సింపుల్ సెంటెన్సెస్ నాన్న, నాకు అది ఇవ్వు ఇది ఇవ్వు అని తెలుగులో అడిగే కన్నా ప్లీజ్ గివ్ మీ సమ్ వాటర్, ప్లీజ్ గివ్ మీ some snacks to eat. Very simple sentences you can use. I thought you may forgot in these 4 months how to speak in English, but let us try at home also. I will give you some suggestions, Nana. Along with these textual lessons, I will suggest you few sentences also to speak at home. First thing, when early in the morning when you woke up, first thing you have to do is to wish your parents or wish all the members in the house, whoever it may be. మీ ఇంట్లో ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళని విష్ చేయడం నేర్చుకోండి. విష్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్ ఆర్ యువర్ ఎల్డర్స్ వెన్ ఎవర్ you are waking up in the morning. When you woke up in the morning, is it clear, Nana? This is one good habit you have to follow. This one today, one good habit we have learned. What is that? We have to wish our elders or we have to wish our family members when we woke up early in the morning. I hope whoever are listening these classes, they will follow this good habit. Now children, one more important thing I have to discuss with you. We are sending the notes. Most probably you got first and second lesson, or if you did not get it today, you will get. So I thought you are writing, or I don't think that you are writing. I think your parents are writing the notebooks at home. But my request is you two children that try yourself at least to write the small sentences and the questions. Okay, better if you are taking your parents help. తీసుకుంటే మంచిదే, మొత్తం పేరెంట్స్ని రాయమంటాం కూడా మంచిది కాదు. ఇట్స్ నాట్ అ గుడ్ హ్యాబిట్. ఓకే, టు రైట్ ఆల్ ద థింగ్స్ వాట్ ఎవర్ గివెన్ టు యూ to your parents. I will tell you children how to write. It is very easy to write in the notebook. I will suggest some tips children how to write in the notebook. Now let us see children how to write in the notebook. Then we will conclude today our class. Suppose children, this is a page of your notebook. మీరే రాస్తారని అనుకొని మీకు నేర్పిస్తున్నాను నాన్న. సపోజ్ దిస్ ఈస్ అ మార్జిన్ అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ అ మార్జిన్. దిస్ ఈస్ సపోజ్ రెడ్ కలర్ మార్జిన్ చిల్డ్రన్, and this is the red color. I hope this is in you are having the notebooks. You see the notebooks easily, you can see the margins of the pages and easily you can write. Here are the two lines children, double row. In this way double rule has been given to you. Suppose we are writing the first lesson. Suppose we are starting the first lesson notes. First of all write a date. Suppose today date nana 26. We have to write 26. Here lesson 1. Lesson 1. And here we have to write warm. Looks for lunch. Warm looks for lunch. And after writing the lesson name, you have to write here meanings heading with the margin. Okay children, in this way you have to write your notes neatly. Underline the heading. If you follow this rule, easily you can write the notebook. Read the third lesson correctly children, and have a nice day all of you.